The mass adoption of Hex is becoming unprecedented as a whole lot of persons are actually jumping into this project. I believe not just because of the potential of the coin, but also because you can actually earn passively aside you holding and making money from the appreciation of the coin, right? Now, let me quickly go down here and show you something incredible that is actually happening to the Hex, right? Now, if you come here, you can see that the numbers of people that are holding this coin is actually increasing rapidly by the day. Okay, today you can see it's 541,000 persons, over 541,000 persons are holding on to this coin. Just today alone, 366 persons have adopted this coin, right? Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Thompson. I talk about everything cryptocurrency and how to make money online, okay? If this is your first time seeing my channel or my videos, I will encourage you to please give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel, okay? Now, Hex is one project that I find very, very interesting because aside you holding on to the coin, you can actually make passive income from this particular project. You can see here on my screen, it says you can make 38% return annually from this particular project, right? So all you just need to do is to follow the simple instructions of you connecting your MetaMask to hex.com, right? So in your MetaMask, I'm going to be showing you how you can be earning this 38% annually from Hex, okay? All you just need to do is to connect, make sure you have Ethereum in your MetaMask account, okay? So let me quickly show you how to do that. So in your MetaMask, you just make sure that you have some Ethereum, okay, in your MetaMask, and also you must have added the Hex coin, all right, to your MetaMask. All you need to do, if you don't have it already added in your MetaMask, you just need to go to CoinMarketCap. When you go to CoinMarketCap up here, right, you can see Hex here. You're going to see this sign. You're going to see this sign of MetaMask here. You just click on this sign and automatically Hex will be added to your MetaMask, okay? Now, when you have Hex added to your MetaMask, all you just need to do now is to come to the Hex website, right? You put the amount of Ethereum you want to use to purchase Hex, right? You put the amount here. The amount of Hex you're going to get is going to reflect here, and you're going to click on swap, and automatically you're going to get Hex, okay? Now, for you to begin to earn this 38% annually from X, aside you holding onto the coin and be earning from the appreciation of the coin, all you just need to do is to go to go.x.com, right? You can see here, go.x.com. Then you come to this stake here, right? You click on this stake. Now, when you click on stake, it's going to bring you here. Now, that Hex that you bought on the Hex website, you're going to put the amount of Hex you want here. Okay, let's assume you want to put 1 million X here, or let's say 1,000 X here, right? You're going to choose the numbers of days you want to stake this X, okay? You can decide to say you want to stake it for 1 year, which is 365 days, right? Now, it's going to show you all you're going to be earning, okay? This is all you're going to be earning. The numbers of days is going to take you to earn that, and you're going to click on this stake. Now, when you click on stake, automatically your X go into action for you. And at the end of that duration, which is the 365 days, you're going to be earning 38% of your total Hex that you're going to be staking there. And aside that, all right, you're still also going to be earning from the appreciation of the coin. Let me quickly show you something about the X coin here, right? You can see this is where it started off from, okay? And mind you, this project has been running for over 1,200 days now, right? Without any kind of flaws in the operation of this project. Okay, so it's been running for that long, and like I rightly said, you can see the price of Hex today is 9 cents. Now, the all-time high of cent was actually 46 cents, okay, 48 cents, right? That was when the market was on the bull run. Now, we all know what happened in the crypto space, that the market actually went into bear, and the price of Hex dropped down here, okay? So now presently the price is on 9 cents, and there's market prediction that the price of Hex is going to be going to 15 cents in the coming days. Now, what are you going to be doing if you want to make money in the crypto space? The best thing for you to do is to jump into this X project, okay? You hold on to the X, and you can also go ahead and stake, okay? And as the market goes into bull run, the price of Hex begins to appreciate. You begin to make money from holding onto the coin and also staking. Okay. Now, it's not compulsory for you to actually go into the staking aspect of it. You can just decide to buy the Hex coin and hold on to the X coin. Okay. By doing that, also, you can also be making passive income for yourself. Okay. But the bottom line is there are two different methods for you to actually earn passively from the X project, okay, from the X coin project, right? So that is through the holding of the coin and also the staking, right? So the project definitely, there's a projection about this coin rising to 15 cents in the coming days and going above that as time progresses, okay? So I think it's something that you can decide to take a look at. Okay, the link is going to be in the description of the video. The first link in the description of the video is going to be for Hex, right? You can decide to give it a look. And there are some vital informations also here that I think you should give a look at. Okay, you can see the price, you can see the market cap, you can see the market rank, right? You can see the market dominance, the holders. Okay, all these informations are available here for you to actually see on the Hex website. Okay, and one thing I like about this project is the projection, okay, and the publicity they're actually giving to Hex. If you come down here, you're going to be seeing a whole lot of publicity about Hex, right? So that goes to tell you that the founder of X is not just putting out this project and sitting somewhere watching. They're actually pushing the project, okay? So if you are looking at a long-term passive income, I think Hex is something you should take a look at, okay? Like I rightly said, you can come to the website yourself and also take a look about this project. And you can also read some other reviews about Hex on Reddit, on Quora, on YouTube, to get to familiarize with yourself with this project, okay? Like I rightly told you, there are simple steps for you to actually get into this. Like I said, you say get MetaMask, buy Ethereum, swap for X, and mine X. It's as simple as that, okay? This project is something that I believe whoever that is into crypto and is looking at making passive income should take a look at, okay? Now, having said that, this is not a financial advice for you, okay? I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you some projects that I believe have potentials in the coming days and are going to be doing well and going to make a whole lot of people money in the crypto space, okay? So that is one thing I want to show you about this project. So if it is something you find interesting, you can go ahead and give it a look, okay? I just want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video, okay? And do take care of yourself, and bye-bye.